think I'll forget about it later. Maybe I'll get up there. Land on me. Oh, you're too considerate to do that. I reckon I can make this. Maybe not. Oh, it was close. Damn. I might end up streaming the first Tomb Raider, even though I have recently recorded it, but I want to go through it again to find all the secrets. I don't know why I'm bothering to go back up, since I obviously can't make it. And I imagine I can't land on that. Oh, whatever. Wiggle. I'll just wait for the jetpack. Yeah, struggle to get in there. Right, I'm gonna go back there quickly to see if there's anything useful I can do with that, whatever it was called. Because I remember there being one, and I know exactly where it is. So we'll find out just how useful they are. Probably not very. Fwoosh! Fweebo, poifdonk. Do you have any new guns? No, not that I could afford them anyway. Hello again, easy enemies. Don't get hit by an easy enemy twice. No. Stupid inability to move while the thingy is coming back. Right, so what do you do? Eh? Hello? Does it have to be in there? No, it doesn't. So like, gadgets, that thing. Hello? Whoop! What are you gonna do for me? Absolutely nothing. You're shooting stuff. I guess that's all they do, so it's not that useful at all. Actually, gosh. Have I been up here? No. Yes? No, I don't know. I'm on the desperate hunt for gold bolts. Farewell, Laura. You're making them drop money everywhere that I can't be bothered to get. Where's the elevator? There. How dare you go back up without me? Clonk. Whoa, exploded. I guess. I don't know which one to do first. I guess we'll search the laboratories, because laboratories usually have good stuff. probably Bymufka. Stupid lag ruins everything. Well, the trouble with Duke Nukem Forever was that multiple people made it and stuff or something. It kept switching hands, but Doom 4 is all made by id, so it'll probably be good. Why did he stay in... oh, what? I don't want to be this little tart. Ugh! See? Because he's dead already. How useless. Doesn't even have any guns. I want to shoot things. There's not even any reason for him to be staying in the ship. Oh yeah, there's even a shop here, so obviously he can come out. Come out and play. The world is boring and slow when I'm this guy. And it's not like the door isn't wide enough for you to get in, fatty. It's a big thing, I don't know what it is, but it hurts. Now I'm dead. 'Cause some idiot's not coming out. I'm not going that way then. It's too heavily guarded. What's this? What's this? It's nothing. What was the point of that? I can jump up here. Oh no.
Autobots can't climb, but you can use your enter command to send them into the bot ports.
I guess that's why. Sploot! Splat. Sploot. Splodge. Oh. Enter. Boop, 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 boop. Enter. They entered deeply. Follow. I don't like squad-based tactical thingies. Attack. Follow. Whoa, it's a big hole. From Star Wars. As in, it's a hole. Let's have sex in it. As somebody says. Enter. I'm not going in there yet. Oh. Why can't I enlarge the chat? In case I miss anything. There. And what's the point of being up here? I can't get anywhere from here. That looks like something, but I certainly can't reach that. So, off. Kinda want to jump down the little mouth hole just to see what's down there. But I don't want to be eaten today. Which makes a change. What? No. Depth perception. Yeah, I guess it probably is when Ratchet feels like coming in and doing something for a change. Are you? No, you're not coming out. Good. Ugh. Ugh. honk. Oh, not again. It's alright, there's also health again. Again. For poor people like me who aren't very good. Smash! Get off the rock. No, they're all in the way. This is what it feels like to have too many fans. So you should all go away. No, you shouldn't. Well, some of you can. No, you can't. Well, you can, but you shouldn't.